Beautiful. Sit down. There we go, Shanix 25 Lima Tango, which has diverted here from Leeds Bradford, and I'm not sure why. Something's happened at Leeds. If anybody can find out what, then please do let me know. Golf Delta Romeo Tango Charlie. We've seen this quite a few times actually, but it's just diverted in here. Kind of hoping if we do get any more diversions, we get some of the 73300s, which would be good. Another good old classic. Sorry if I missed anyone's comments, I was just putting some stuff away. Nicholas, hello mate, welcome to the live stream. Please roll to the end. Please roll to the end. No, he's going to go via Bravo. Drat. Oh well. Ferry Hill. Yeah, still here, mate. Still here. Just got one more arrival. Got the Ryanair, and then that's going to be it for today. Just got to shoot off to work. Golf, Golf, Delta, Foxtrot, Golf. And the baby 300s. Next arrival is the last one, folks. Late to the party, had a busy day at work. Oh, typical man, typical. Well, it's great to have you on board, Nicholas, but unfortunately that's going to be the end of the live stream for today. Just let the Jet2 taxiing in, and Belgian Air Force on the ground.